হাই হোয়াটসঅ্যাপ কি অবস্থা সবার, আশা করি সবাই ভালো আছেন। আজকে পিএলসি নিয়ে কাজ করব। এখানে দেখতে পাচ্ছেন একটি পিএলসি, এটি হচ্ছে এলএস পিএলসি মাস্টার কে 120 সিরিজের K7M DR20U মডেলের একটি পিএলসি। সো এটির 8টি আউটপুট ও 12টি ইনপুট, এগুলো সব ডিজিটাল ইনপুট আউটপুট। আমরা ডিসি রিলেগুলো এভাবে লাগিয়ে দিলাম। এটা এখন কমপ্লিট। সো এখন হচ্ছে এটার কাজ। এই যে দেখুন, প্রত্যেকটা রিলে একটা একটা করে লাগিয়ে দিচ্ছি কাজ করার জন্য। এখানে আমার 4টা রিলে আছে, আমি 4টা রিলে লাগিয়ে দিচ্ছি। এই যে ওকে। সো এই রিলেগুলো আমি কানেকশন করব। কানেকশন করার আগে ভাবলাম আপনাদের আমি একটু সুন্দর করে দেখিয়ে নিই। সবগুলাই কিন্তু ডিসি 12 ভোল্টের রিলে। আপনারা যদি একটু খেয়াল করেন তাহলে কিন্তু দেখতে পারবেন যে সবগুলো রিলে ডিসি 12 ভোল্ট। ওকে, এই যে দেখুন 12 ভোল্ট ডিসি। ওকে, সো নাও স্টার্টিং দ্য লাইভ। এই হচ্ছে এগুলো, এখানে কিন্তু স্পষ্ট আকারে লেখা আছে যে 12 ভোল্ট ডিসি। সো এই দিয়ে কমিউনিকেশন করব, কাজ করব। পিএলসির আউটকে আমরা লোড ইউজ করব। ওকে ডিয়ার অল, জাস্ট শো হাউ টু work this process. I think if you see the full life, then you can earn electrical and electronics automation knowledge. So it is output side. Just to jumper number of 3 jumpering. So here common 1 and common 2. Here 3 commons are already jumpering completed. So I power provided the PLC source. After I here one piece positive source and output P40 and P41 P42. So let's go how to work this process and how to work it. So we checking and working the system step by step process, completing. Just show here common as 1 terminals and P40 here. So I am 1 cables connections the P40. Okay, P40 to the mainly half an. Now I insulating 1 cables and I outputs next terminals. I already outputted the next terminals completed. So I cut the cables middles. Okay, I already cuttings completed and I join the DC 12 volt relay. Okay, this is DC 12 volt relay. So now I connections 13 and 14 long pins. So I connections is 14 long pins. This is 14 long pins, just relay coils. It is P40 out here Okay, so one terminals completed. P40 output is here. After P42 14 nong relays, this is 14 nong pins. Okay, now I complete the 14 nong pins, and now connections 14 nong pins is completed. Here some problem, the cable, so we cables some shorted. Now it is cutting and shorted the cables insulating completed. Connections the relays. Okay, to output to relays completed. So it is PLC output and relay coils connections now complete. Just now one it is in this relays stay here, and 3-piece relay are working step by step. Step by step, relay coils output connections. Relay coils connections now complete. Just one relay connections already working process. Just okay, 3 relays already connections complete. Now fully commons negative is common chess all 3 relay. So when I commons 3 relay, then that's mean it is shorted now. Just 2-piece short piece connected the negative source. So coils another terminals now connected 2 short pieces for another relays commons. So now I tighten the screw. Okay, dear friend, it's completed. Just negative source directly. So here I connected the another relays here. Now I Okay, now three relays commences. Here just one terminal is connected the positive source here and negative source directed connections. Okay, just I find some cables, just wait for ends. I need some cables. Wait, I find out the cables and I need back in. Okay, I'll come back for some cables. Here these cables only used for negative source, directly source to okay. So now negative sourcing. So negative source is some losses one screw and I connected this point and I again tighten the screw. Okay, there are now I negative sourcing these cables, so I'm directly connections the 12 volt 12 battery. So there all I already connections the battery. I'm cutting the cables for connections the battery. Okay, now it's directly joining. Just wait, I already joining the battery and negative connections are completed. Here just positive, I need positive source, so this is positive cable and I will try to positive source, but it is not cables properly connected. So I want to white color cables are using the positive source. Now to the positive source. Okay, dear. So I open the screw for comments points and I enter the screw hole. After I will tighten the screw points, so I So this cables is only for positive source. Now I power positive power given the circuit, and you can follow the circuit. This is relay is brighted when the positive powers are connected. Okay, dear all, thank you so much for the showing the live. So here already power completed. Now I sourcing power giving so here need to be positive source given the power. So wait for 220 volt power source. I have already give the positive powers. Now I give to the 220 volt AC for PLC offense. So it is positive 220 volt AC power, and okay. Okay, now at first I connected the negative source. Please see the carefully this circuit. It is directly 220 volt AC. The tester is brighted. Okay. So negative source is connected here. Okay. So positive source now connections. Just wait for the connections. Here some missing, and I very soon connected the AC 220 volt power supply. Okay, my positive connections, phase connections are connected. So now this is 220 volt AC connections, and just testing time. Okay, I power provided. Please see carefully. It is working, and when I off the lamp, then you can see the lamp is brighted. So when I plug in the circuit input source, so now I provide the input sources. Here I please check it. At first relay is open, after some times it's opened, and after some times it's open. Okay, 1 2 3, the load is on. Here it is on. Now me offing the lamp. Here relay is open, and after some times this relay is open, and output 41 is open, and after some times 43 to open, and this relay may be fault, so is not output high. Okay, so let's go. Why is not it is on? Checked it. Now at first I do the work. Why it is done on the process? I'm sorry dear friend, I am missing the point, so please see. I think when you see the process, then you can understand. Dear friend, here one pin is missing, so we need to close the P43 and connected the P44. Maybe it is work properly. Okay, so here follow, when I connected the P44, then it is okay, relay is on. So now it is on, and when I unplug the stop mode, then all power is off. Please see stop. If I want to that when I stop it, then it is off. After some times it is off, and after some times it's off. So let's go how to possible it and how to work this program. We are creating the program face to face. Okay, now I stop the all outputs. So we need a start switch. So now we starting at first start and stop switch settings. It is start switch, and when stop switch are settings the points, then you can understand. Okay, now I silent mode work because behind my room is sounded bad sound, so I don't know, I don't want to listen the bad sound, and it is problem is YouTube. So okay, now it is connected, and how to let's go. We discuss 2 points. So at first I short the two-sided. Okay, there all. Now one pin is connected, and another pin is connected after. When one pin is tighten, and another pin, the PLC cables is here. Okay, now soldering it, but here NO contact and NC contact, I need to both switch is NO contact. So now we replace the NC contact and here we placing the contact. Okay, dear friend, now I searching the Ytshorts from the contact. Okay, I don't find it, but I will try to search for contact, but I don't find it. Please see the videos. This is switch bus, but it is not NO switch. It is NC switch. Now we checked it. Now we connected the multimeter. Okay. We check the switch. Two sides of contact need contact, but it is NC contact. So here some problem. When we PLC work, then all switch need to be problem solved. I have no start switch. Stop switch, but need to be modified. It is NC switch. If it was NO switch, then I work properly. So start switch I connected. First I connecting now start switch. Okay, I connecting the start switch. Now I start switch press, then it's okay step by step. So let's go. I starting the push switch. Okay, now start output. Okay, and output high. After sometimes it's high, and after sometimes it's high. So this is PLC program and how to create PLC program. Let's go. Checked. Okay, already it's okay. Now I stop this side. I am back to life after some times because I do the pray. Now our country Maghrib azans, so I am go to the mosque and pray. After back in the room and back to life. Okay, so dear all, thank you so much for the seeing the live.